Welcome back to Tong Hacks channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Sheets. It is so simple and you can just do it in your iPhone. First of all, after you downloaded the app in your iPhone, you have to make sure that you've already signed in to your Google over here. If you haven't, you have to log in first with your Google mail address and passwords. Okay, if you're done, if you're already signed in or logged in and you want to set up a new sheet, you can just click here, the plus sign symbol on the bottom left corner on your screen. That is so colorful over here. Click on that. And then you will have to give a title to your sheet. For example, I'll name it trial. And then click create. And your Google Sheet is set up. You can draw tables, make a list, create calendar, create charts, and many more. But I'll keep them for the next tutorials, guys. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and let me know your thoughts in the comment. See you guys.